Hey, how's it going? I hate to admit this, but I had not heard of P. Louise, the brand P. Louise, until I came on TikTok a couple of years ago. And then it was like exploded. I started watching every video, every haul video, every unboxing, seeing the brand. I got really obsessed with it, but I couldn't afford it at the time. And I had other things ahead of me buying products for myself. So I kept waiting. And so then I saw just recently that they had a big sale, and they had a clearance section, and I thought, okay, I'm going to check it out. I'm going to definitely check it out. And so I have a box from P. Louise. They're a British brand, a British band. It's not a rock band. It's a British makeup beauty brand, and yes, like I would say they taking over America like the new British invasion of beauty. Like just like it's the Beatles or something, but except it's the beauty. And it's quite fabulous. And I've been seeing their lives, and I've been watching. And let me just undo this thing here. I need to get some. Of course, I never have my big scissors around when I need them. Okay, so they had such beautiful packaging. The design, I can't wait to try the products. So, all right, here we go. I got quite a few things. It says, face the change, embrace the change. Embrace the change, outcome is beautiful. Just this alone, okay? Just this alone. The packaging is stunning. Stunning. As they say over there across the pond, stunning. It was stunning. But it is stunning. Alright, let's get this plastic. Oh my god. So much plastic. Okay. But it protects the beauty of this box. Okay. Here we go. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. P. Louise. Okay. Beautiful. Embrace the change. All of us little fragile babes, spread your wings and fly. Okay. Okay, here we have is this the pulley? Yes, okay. This is what we do. So, I don't want to mess it up. Okay. God, I need a strength of... Here we go. Okay. Woo! Oh, all right. So we get some well packaged. Oh, wow. Okay. And this was just a few things they had on sale. Okay. So we have here. Oh, I got a black eye base, cosmetic base. Got this because I want to play around with it. I've been hearing about these eye bases, so this is a big thing. And then I also got a bright pink eye base to play around with. This is for some fun makeup artistry. Okay, and then this is P. Louise Mini. It says something, oh, sweet, beautiful. Is that what it is? Okay, may your coffee be as strong as your brow game. Okay, that's right. This is it's a brow product. Okay, so let's see. Between the glare of, now, I wish that I had grown up with selfie lights in my eyes, so that at this point, that I would, oh, look at how cute. Okay, this looks like a mini, okay, there's plastic on here. Oh, here we go. This is like a mini brow. This is perfect for the purse. Mini brow pencil. Is this what it is? Oh, I hate the one. There we go. Ah, okay, a push-up. Okay, look at this. Oh, that's right. So very, very fine. Oh, I love it. Very, very fine brow pencil. And that's perfect. That is perfect. Awesome. Okay, so we got a brow pencil. And we have a Fall in Love with P. Louise. Okay, I think this was for something from Valentine's last year. Let me get I don't want to break a nail off. Piece of plastic is stuck. Okay. This is a palette, I think. P. Louise palette. It's like Judy's Place palette, P. Louise palette. All right. Say that fast 5 times. Okay. Ooh, look, here we go. Gorgeous. Stunning. Another quad. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, let's watch. Look at that. Deep pigmentation. Deep pigmentation. Stunning, 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 stunning. I will be playing around with that. I can't wait. These are my colors. And then another one. Another one. Like I said, the makeup, the beauty is stunning. Unmatched. Unmatched. And needed some new things. I know I say that all the time. This is Geo Million. Get yourself in check. Bank of P. Louise. Oh, so it looks like a check. It's so cute. Oh my god. Ooh, look at this. How cute. This was like neutrals. And then look at this. Deposit, reality check, got receipts, and money order. The whole theme is money. I love it because I love that they have, it's a matte with a matching highlighter. And look at this quality. Just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous quality. Now, some of this I'll be using for doing makeup professionally on other people, and some of the in the salon or on freelancing, and some of this some of these I'll be using on myself and trying things out, testing things out. So that is it, and I can definitely use this box. It's a stunning, beautiful gift box. The products are just amazing. And the packaging is amazing. So yeah, shout out to P. Louise. I finally got some. I'm excited to try and play and do some tutorials on here and to get ready with me. So thanks so much for joining. Thanks for the support always. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Thanks. Bye.